Hey guys, it's a 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander SEL. Man, got little fucking roaches in this bitch. Well, the AC been turning on and off, leaking water. When she would turn to the left, it would turn off. Sounds like there's water in there, so I'm gonna check it out. Gotta take these deals out. This clip. Something with that one, and then I think there's another one, yeah, right there. So I'm gonna take off the glove compartment. This little clip right here, it's in there. You just push those things together. Comes off, so lower more. And then these. There's that screw in the back right there too. You gotta get. I'm testing the blower motor. It works quiet. I gotta turn it to the left and see if it does anything. Try it out. Let me turn this bitch on. Oh. To the left. It's good. Yeah. It was just the water. Every time she turned it left, the water would go in the blade and cause it to turn off, like a safety deal. So that's pretty much it. Now I gotta drain that hose on the bottom. So I'm on the driver's side and thinking that piece is it. I find nothing on the passenger. So try draining it out. Stick one of these deals in there. Up in there. And there it goes. I'm gonna stick it more in there. Something in there. I took this little clip off. Just push this little piece down. It comes off easy from there. It's letting the water drain in here, but it was still leaking because there's holes in there. Just gotta let it dry. Put this piece back on. This little grooves or whatever that come out. They go in those circles right there. And then just click this piece in. I think. Oh, there it goes. Then you can put them clips back in. Don't forget to plug that wire in, because I forgot. And like I say, you just push it back in on the sides. And put that clip in. Like I do with one hand. Just push it up. See. Now I'm gonna go to this other side. Check out that drain though. I don't know. See that tube right there? I don't know if it looks like a tube. Oh no, it's metal. I'm gonna check in here, see if the line goes through here. And there it is. That's like the where the water fills up, condensation. And there's a tube right there. It goes out. Pull it out. I wash my hands, so freaking burning. What the fuck? There's a necklace in there. Freaking necklace. Let me rust it out. Blows air out of the little deal. Hopefully it's good. I tried sticking my little screwdriver in there. See if I can pick up another piece of the chain that was in there. And you can see it on the wall. Coming out, it's leaking, but we'll see. Hopefully that was enough. That chain piece and that piece. Get back on. Let's see. I don't know if that piece came out. Probably. There's a fucking roach in that big. Hopefully it's good. I forgot to show you a little clip. And just put that screw back on. That one. You're good. I'm test driving it. It's not making any noise now. I turned to the right. Kind of sharp though. Nothing. Now when I turn to the left it would turn off, but I'm gonna do a whole UE right here. Nothing at all, no sound at all. So that was the problem. There's all that water stuck in there, holding that motor back. So there you go, guys. If you experience that, you turn to the left, hear some like noise going on, and the blower motor turns off. It's not your clutch or your AC compressor. That's gonna be your blower motor for it to turn off, because it's still blowing cold. So the blower motor has nothing to do to blow cold air. It just blows the air. Here's the proof right here. It's leaking now.